Okay, today I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to extend the doorbell cables. In my house, for example, I only have like 1.5 inches. That was a little surprise that I had. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to repair them, not to replace them, to repair them. Okay, so it is as simple to, this is the crimp connector that we're gonna use. So this is the short and the wire is already straight. So don't use your teeth, use a knife, a pink one. Okay. So this is a simple that we just put this one inside. We put the other one that I have removed the end already. And it will go to the hole. And with this crimp, this is a special tool. And just crimp. And that will keep it all together from moving. I like to go several times. Okay, so that's it. As you see, it's already extended. This does not come off. Get now my white one, and that will be it. Okay, so this is how the extended wires should look like. Okay, once again with my cool tool, then I'll come here and look for the 20 gauge. This is a 20 gauge. Come here and then extend it. Well, I guess I need a little bit more. And now I can continue my installation of my Google Nest doorbell.